Okay, this is the Madison special. I've had a lot of requests for this one. This was actually originally tied by Madison Heading, and I should have her tying it. But to save some time, I'll show you how to do it, and we'll get with Madison later. Madison is the daughter of Rick Heading, who is a long time guide down on the Grand Ronde River, one of the best. If you want to fish down there, you should go with Rick. This is just like a cerise color chenille. 4 or 5 wraps, just fill up the hook. You can use several hooks for this. Obviously, it's got to be a stout hook, but it's a short shanked hook. This is actually a Tiemco 800 S, so it's stainless. And then it's just a wing on top of it here, and I just use some glow bug yarn. Like I said, this thing is as easy as it gets. Just sits on top. You just make a head here, wrap it down, trim the butt section, kind of pretty up the head a little bit. I'm a whip finisher. I like the tool instead of doing it with my hands, only because that's how I learned as a kid. And this is a new tool, so obviously, there we go. The Madison Special. Tie it in several colors, your favorite steelhead color. But cerise happens to be the fly that was working on the Grand Ronde River. Tie them up, and thank you, Madison Heading.